Good morning, children. How are you all? Here is your educator, Divya Miss. Children, today in English, we will continue reading our chapter 7, The Red Raincoat. Isn't it a interesting story? है ना? Okay. So, we will continue reading our chapter. Children, remember now, you will read with me. Will you have a pencil with you? Because we are going to underline a new word too, na? Okay. Let's start reading. Will it rain today, Ma? Asked Manu. Children, remember the story. Let's revise it. There is a boy whose name is Manu. His parents got him a red raincoat and Manu wanted to wear it. No, Manu, not today. If you wear your raincoat, you will look quite funny, said Ma. True, na children? If we wear a raincoat and there is no rain, it will look so funny, right? Other children will laugh at us. Think, if we wear sweater in hot season, what will happen? The other will laugh at us because we will look quite funny. So, Manu's mother said, no Manu, not today. If you wear your raincoat, you will look quite funny. Now, after Monday, on Tuesday, the sky was blue. Children, have you underlined quite funny? Okay, now let's underline Tuesday. The sky was blue. Ma, when can I wear my raincoat? Asked Manu. Now Manu getting so excited to wear his red raincoat. So again on Tuesday he asked his mother, Ma, when can I wear my raincoat? Again his mother said, not today dear. There is just one white cloud, underline cloud, in the sky, said Ma. If there is only one white cloud in the sky, there will be no rain. We can understand. So, again his mother refused. Not today, dear. There is just one white cloud in the sky. So, after Tuesday, Wednesday was hot. Wednesday came and Wednesday was too hot. So again there will be no rain. But Manu again asked his mother, Ma, why doesn't it rain? Asked Manu. He was eagerly waiting for the rain. Why? Because he wanted to wear his raincoat. Son, I think it will rain soon. Soon. Maybe even before it is noon, said Ma. On Thursday, underline Thursday, Manu went for a picnic, underline picnic. It is so fun na going on picnic, children. With our friends, with our parents, with our family. Right? Okay. On Thursday, Manu went for a picnic. Ma, what if it rains? Shall I take my raincoat with me? Asked Manu. What happened on Thursday, children? Thursday, Manu went for a picnic. On picnic, he wanted to take his raincoat. So he again asked his mother, Ma, what if it rains? Shall I take my raincoat with me? Asked Manu. No, my dear, it will not rain today. The little white clouds are too high up in the sky, said Ma. There are so many white clouds, but they are too much high up in the sky. If it will be near to us, if it will be a little down, then there is a possibility to rain. So again his mother refused and said, "No, my dear, it will not rain today. The little white clouds are too high up in the sky," said Ma. Now again after Thursday, Friday was cloudy, underline cloudy. Ma, will it rain today? Asked Manu loudly, underline loudly. Friday was cloudy, right? So again he asked his mother, Ma, will it rain today? Asked Manu. Turn the page, children. It may, my dear, there are some dark clouds low down in the sky, said Ma. On Thursday, it was high up in the sky. But on Friday, it was little low down in the sky. So, it may means there may be possibility for raining. But again, there was no rain on Friday too. So, Saturday, underline Saturday, children. Saturday began with a bang. Boom, brum. Ma, is there thunder I hear? Children, underline thunder. Have you heard thunder during the monsoon, children, in the sky? Yes. I hear. Will it rain soon? Asked Manu. And then at last it started raining. After a week, children, after 7 days on Saturday, it started raining. Oh, it's raining, sang Manu, running out because he was too much happy. So he was singing, "Oh, it's raining, sang Manu, running out. But Manu called Ma, running after him, "You forgot your raincoat." Children, do you understand? Throughout the week, he was waiting for the rain. And when it is rain on Saturday, he forgot his raincoat. He forgot his raincoat. It is very good story. Did you enjoy the story, children? Yes, I enjoyed it too, and I am sure you enjoyed it too. Now, children, you will read the story again 2 times.